Welcome. If you're looking to delete or hide your gender information on Instagram using the PC app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can manage your privacy with ease and confidence. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account where you want to update your gender information. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a series of icons. Find the one labeled More and give it a click. This will open up a list of additional options for your account. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can control all the important details about your Instagram profile. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. Now you're in the heart of your profile settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Gender. This is where you can see your current gender setting. To delete or hide your gender, simply choose the option that says Prefer Not to Say. This tells Instagram that you don't want your gender information displayed or stored on your profile. After you've selected Prefer Not to Say, make sure to click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. This saves your changes and updates your profile instantly. And that's it. You've successfully removed your gender information from your Instagram account using the PC app. Your profile will now show no gender, giving you more control over your privacy and how you present yourself online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.